Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is Wednesday. Wacky Wednesday, I'm going to call this. Or maybe Whimsical Wednesday. Last night was a culinary expedition night. We are winding down just over a week until Era Eats starts. Last night for Mozambique, I prepared Galinha a Paris, which is basically translates to chicken with peppers. Yeah. Yummy. Basically, you make this paste in the beginning. It's got all the goodies, and you marinate the chicken for several hours, and then you can either grill it, pan fry it, or stick it in the oven. I put it on my indoor electric grill. Yummy. Charred marks, whole 9 yards. And I served that with Hungarian roasted potatoes. Yeah, two completely different countries. I get it. But everything was really good, repeatable all the way around. Tonight is a lazy night. Robin has a meeting right after work that's going to go into the early evening hours. So tonight I'm just going to make a simple little pasta dish, and that's it. So, yeah. And Robin reminded me this morning that we're going to be in Tahoe the end of next week. So I will only be cooking 4 days next week, and 2 of those are going to be culinary expedition to close it out. I'll be posting up the menu later on this morning. So on this wet Wednesday, it's going to be wet through the morning, but according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report, it's supposed to be sunny with some possible rain this afternoon. So yeah, on this wacky, whimsical Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.